Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare these delicious Caribbean Johnny cake. And this is not your regular Johnny cake, guys. This is Caribbean Johnny cake, and it's pretty much fried dough. I'm going to start by showing you guys my ingredients. Very simple, guys. We're going to start with half a cup of sugar. I have half a cup of milk. I have 2.5 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour. And I am missing the water, guys. We also gonna need a cup of water, guys. Now, guys, I like sifting my flour. That's optional. To me, it helps everything combine evenly. Again, that is optional, guys. But I'm doing my sifting here. So let's go ahead and add all of our ingredients. There's really no order here. I'm just adding pretty much everything inside my flour. Now guys, Johnny cake is something that we eat in the Caribbean pretty much for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And here's a disclaimer, guys. This is my version. I'm quite sure there's many ways to do this. We add sugar to our Johnny cake, and I think this is, to me, what makes these Johnny cakes so delicious, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add my milk and my water. Remember, guys, I did not show you the water prior, but yes, we have a cup of water as well. And now, guys, this is the best part, okay? We're gonna get our pretty hands dirty. So we're gonna start here kneading the dough. Now this right here, guys, is so relaxing, okay? So here's a trick, guys. What you need to do is you want to fold the dough in half and rock forward on the heels of your hands and press it flat, guys. This will probably take about 10 to 12 minutes. So come, guys, let me show you. I like using a cutting board, put a little bit of flour on it, and guys, I go and kneading away, guys. Again, guys, this is really relaxing. Now, guys, when the dough bounces back without sticking to your finger, it's ready to go. Now, guys, this is the best part. I'm going to put my dough to sleep. I'm going to cover this, and it's going to sit here for 20 minutes. Now, guys, our dough is ready. And guys, do not laugh at me, okay? This is the part I suck. I'm gonna be honest with you, okay? My dough doesn't look so pretty, or my Johnny cakes, when they're done, they look so pretty. But listen, the key here is to be patient, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do a little ball, okay? A dough ball, okay? And you know what, guys? I think this is going to work. So let me show you guys how I do it, okay? So just follow me, guys. Now these Johnny cake, guys, are ready to fry. Now we need to make sure our oil, guys, is very hot. I usually like to throw a little piece of dough, and it is perfect. Now Give it, guys, 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Again, I always say this, it really depends on your stove. So mine is actually on a medium high, so we're probably looking at a probably 6 or 7. So make sure you also eyeball this. Do not leave these Johnny cake unattended, because I tell you what, a burnt Johnny cake, no bueno. Now this is what you guys want. See how golden and pretty these look? Beautiful, guys. These are gonna be so delicious. And guys, you know me, I always like a pretty dish. You're gonna go ahead and put some paper towel, because we want to drain all this oil from the Johnny cake, guys. And guys, Johnny cake, you can eat this, like I previously said, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm serving this with soup. You can add cheese to them. You can add anything or have them with whatever you fancy. Now guys, look how pretty this looks inside. They are nice and fluffy, not too sweet, not too salty. They're just perfect. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Until next time, cheers. Bye bye.